Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Vansdon 2000W, pure sine wave inverter 12V DC to 120V AC. 𝐏𝐫𝐨 consists of highlight features as follows. Vansdon inverter efficiently converts 12V DC to 110/120V AC, delivering 2000W continuous/4000W surge power. Advanced pure sine wave technology produces grid-identical AC power with over 91% high efficiency, minimizing energy waste and no load loss. Run RV essentials like LED lights, 10W, and vent fan, 30W, for over 15% longer on the same 100 Ah battery compared to standard models. Safely powers sensitive electronics, laptops, CPAP machines, audio systems with zero risk of damage. The 2000W inverter delivers grid-quality AC power with only 3 to 4% THD, safer and cleaner than standard pure sine wave inverters. It runs sensitive electronics with zero flicker or buzz, and starts heavy-duty motors, window ACs, refrigerators, power tools, smoothly, no strain or overheating. Unlike modified sine wave, its pure sine wave technology actively protects your devices, extends their lifespan, and reduces failure risks, ideal for RVs, homes, and solar systems. Our 12V power inverter delivers regulated AC output, maintain 115 to 120V when input over or equal 12V, and keep output over or equal 110V even when input drops to 10 to 11V. This stable voltage is critical for sensitive devices, CPAP machines, computers, mini fridges, water pumps, coffee makers. It prevents data loss, hardware damage, and performance issues from sudden voltage fluctuations, delivering consistent, trustworthy power for daily and off-grid use. This car power inverter features 3 AC outlets plus 1 hardwired terminal for high-current electrical appliances/tools, a 5V/2.1 amp USB port and a 30W USB-C PD fast charge port. You can run a 700W microwave and a 150W electric skillet at the same time for a full meal, while fast charging a laptop from 0 to 50% in under an hour. Hardwired terminal securely connects high-power tools like water pumps and saws, creating a complete mobile kitchen or workshop indoors or out. Unlike other inverters that overheat under load, our inverter features a high-efficiency dual cooling system with 2 aluminum heatsink and 2 smart fan. When internal temperature exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, or load hits 35%, the fan auto-activates for rapid cooling, ensuring stable performance and longer runtime under heavy loads. Plus, 7-layer circuit protection, over/under voltage, overload, short circuit, overtemp, reverse polarity, auto safeguards your inverters and connected devices. Monitor and manage your system without leaving your vehicle. The included 22.9 feet or 7 meter wired remote features a smart LCD screen that acts as your system's command center. It clearly displays real-time battery voltage, current power output, and any error codes at a glance. Easily monitor power usage and battery health to prevent unexpected shutdowns, avoid deep discharge damage, ensure your adventure or workday never loses power. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.